This is tungsten. It's the 74th element of the periodic table, with some similarities to other metallic elements like iron. However, unlike iron, which can be used to build impressive skyscrapers, tungsten has properties more like your regular teacup. Tungsten was first used by porcelain makers in China around 350 years ago as a peach colouring for their vases. However, its discovery is accredited to the El brothers in Spain in 1793 when they reduced metal oxide to tungsten metal. The majority of modern-day tungsten is produced from its two ores, wolframite and scheelite. So, what is tungsten used for? Tungsten has the highest melting point of any material on the planet, and it boils at temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. Therefore, it is often alloyed with other metals to strengthen them, especially in demanding environments involving extremely high temperatures, such as welding. Tungsten carbide is used with cutting tools, including tunnel boring machines for things such as the underground tube, due to its hardness and resistance to wear. In fact, the only thing harder than tungsten is diamond, meaning that tungsten carbide tools will last for a very long time. Tungsten filaments are widely used in light bulbs due to their stability at high temperature, meaning that you can flick your lights on and off hundreds more times before they wear out. However, due to the way in which they are assembled, light bulbs remain one of the least recycled components containing tungsten. There are 3.5 million tons of tungsten reserves spread across the globe, covering less than 1% of the Earth's crust, allowing it to be sourced in 6 continents. China is by far the largest producer of tungsten ore, producing 1.9 million tons per year. Tungsten is also sourced in the Democratic Republic of Congo. However, mining here is bad news, as this has contributed to a major civil war, with civilians being forced to work against their will. For this reason, tungsten is classed as a conflict mineral. However, pressure is being put on companies to reduce this form of mining, forcing them to source their ore from more stable regions, as well as encouraging the use of recycled tungsten. One of the major issues surrounding the use of tungsten is its effect on the environment. Tungsten components typically contain up to 10% of other metallic elements such as cobalt, which acts as a sort of glue to help hold it all together. However, this cobalt is highly toxic and is proven to cause cancer in some mammals. Therefore, control of this material, especially during the grinding process, is paramount to ensure that none is distributed in the ecosystem, which would have serious consequences for plants and animals. Sustainability can be defined as not causing harm to the environment or depleting natural resources, thereby supporting long-term ecological balance. In other words, if there's a finite amount of tungsten in the world, we need to effectively recycle it to ensure the process is more sustainable. Roughly 30% of tungsten is recycled, with that figure expected to rise by 8% annually over the next 5 years. The high purity of recycled tungsten far outweighs that of mined ore, making recycling more cost-effective for large manufacturers. You now all know about tungsten and the effect of its use on the environment. Thank you for watching.